I've got a new lens for my Leica M-mount camera. This is just arrived. This is the 7ARTISANS 35 f2.8. This is the first new lens that I've bought in years. Let me just unbox it and show you what you get. So, it comes in a box like this. Now, I ordered this and it took 3 days to come from China. I live in the middle of nowhere, north of Toronto, but it took 3 days to get to my doorstep. So, I'm not sure how long it'll take if you want to get one, but it took 3 days for mine. And this is this little lens. This is the little gem. Now, it has a hood on it, but there it is, right there. This is a 35 2.8 from 7ARTISANS. Now, when you buy it, you get a couple of accessories. You get the back cap. You get a hood. This is what I would call the standard hood, and you get a cap for that standard hood. That makes sense. Now the lens is a somewhat peculiar filter size because it is so small. So it's a 34mm filter size. Not the most popular, but they do include, if you want to use a UV filter, they do include a UV filter for you to use. And then if you're going to use that, you have to, it's not threaded, so then you need to use a secondary hood that they give you that goes on with a set screw. And then if you're going to use the filter, or you're going to use no filter but no hood, then they give you a little bit smaller cap as well. So you kind of get 2 hoods and 2 caps with that UV filter. Now the filter size itself, as I said, is not super popular at 34, but I happen to have a ring that is an adapter that goes, this is a cheap eBay $10 item, goes from 34 to, I think this one's 46. You can get any size you want, 34 to whatever filter size you already have. So I've got some 43 and 46 filters that I use for my Leica. So this adapts this little gem of a lens to the filters that I already have for, like the yellow filter, the orange filter, the red filter. And this is just a cheap eBay purchase, easy to get. Now, why did I have that? Because I have another small lens. This is the Leica 28 5.6. These two lenses are peas in a pod. Like, look at this. Virtually the same size. The Leica lens is heavier, but virtually the same size. The 28 from Leica, 35 2.8 from 7ARTISANS. Beautiful little lenses. Now, if you're going to compare lens sizes, let's compare it to kind of like the standard. So this is a 51.4. So look at the size difference. And this weighs 5 times as much. This is a 50 compared to a 35 2.8, just to give you an idea of the size difference. Now, I don't have a 35mm lens from Leica, but I do have a Zeiss one. So this is a 35 f2 compared to the 35 2.8. Look at the size difference. Weight different, huge as well. Look how nice and small that is. That is going to be magnificent. I can't wait to use that 35 in the field and take my 28 and this 35 traveling. It's going to be amazing. So I've got this nice little lens. Let's just pop it on the M6 and see how its size looks. Look at that. So small. No weight at all to it. It's fantastic. Frame lines come up right away. It's got a little focus tab that you can lock in place if you want. Very, very similar to the Leica 28 5.6. It also has that same kind of focus tab. So there you have it. This is a new lens for me, the first lens that I purchased from 7ARTISANS. So if you do like the lens, there's an affiliate link below. It takes you right to their store. I do get an affiliate kickback if you buy through that link. So whether it's this lens or another lens from 7ARTISANS. But anyways, this is the new 35 2.8. This is the first that I've seen it. What a magnificent little lens. It's going to be fantastic. Fantastic on the Leica M. It also works on your mirrorless cameras with an adapter. I could put it on my Sony. You can probably put it on the Nikon or the Canons, but I only have a Sony. But anyways, with an adapter, it's just going to be fantastic. I can't wait to get out shooting with this. Now, as I mentioned, this is the first lens that I've bought from 7ARTISANS and ordered, took about 3 days to get here. Now, below in the description, I've got an affiliate link. If you're interested in this lens or something else from 7ARTISANS, if you use my affiliate link, I get some kind of a kickback. we'll see how all that works. Maybe I'll become super wealthy doing this. Maybe, could happen. But if you use the affiliate link, it'll take you right to their store, and I do get a kickback. But I'm excited to give this a try. This is going to be a lot of fun to use.